In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok on iPhone. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is first of all stop interacting with that type of content. So it's very important that you don't do that because otherwise they will suggest you that when you search for something. Now you can also tap on refresh, as you can see, and they will basically show you different things, and at the top you're gonna have the two things that you basically searched on TikTok and you just watched. Now another tip for you is simply to go to your settings and privacy and then simply go to notifications. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on post from accounts you follow. So here you can simply disable these and also disable these two options, which is post from people you may know and post you may like. So just simply disable them and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.